This is a story of Rotarian Rotary Club Hyderabad East Karun Reddy, who is professionally Axis Bank manager and a farmer passionately done of 18 acres of mango land by rain harvesting and groundwater recharging levels at Mogalipaka village, Waligonda Mandal, Yadadri Bongiri district, Telangana. And this farm of 18 extent of 18 acres mango land, mango gardens has taken care of the natural slopes contours of the catchment area rain harvesting water, and this is the land adjacent to the 18 acres. Before cultivation, agriculture can be done to this land as it is, as Mr. Karun Reddy has done for his 18 acres by using groundwater and rain harvesting water. So this is the pond allotted nearly 1 acre in these 18 acres to take the care of storage of water. Along the fencing, he has taken care of a distributory channel bund. He has taken care of the rain harvesting water from the catchment area. These bunds and channels has been constructed throughout the fencing, all the four sides, and small pits has been constructed to store water as for the flow of the rainwater. This is the channel constructed along the fencing and around the 18 acres ground in four sides. The water at the rainy season will be flowed from these channels to the ground level, and wherever the storage is there, the small pits are constructed for the storage of the water. According to the flow, even in the land of 18 acres, the cross bunds and the bunds has constructed, and this is how the fencing and the channel is constructed. These are the cross bunds, lateral bunds, and this is how the greenery, the yield is. The small pits is constructed for the storage of water, and cross bunds all along the land of mango garden. See, the cross bunds has been constructed all along the 18 acres land, and the linear bunds for the rain harvesting water, the flow of water will be taken care of and it will be stored in the pond or storing pits across the land, and small pits also there, and this according to the flow of the water, and the greenery and the yield will be increased by this water, and groundwater will be recharged. The pond is reservoir. The reservoir and the pond is taken care of the storage of rainwater and can be used whenever we need it. All these 18 acres, he has 16 acres, he has taken a mango garden, 1 acre for the reservoir, storage of water, and 1 or 2 acres he is taking care of wet agriculture like rice and everything. So this is the greenery and the yield. The pond is, reservoir is water, and the rainwater will be, and ground level water also recharged by the rain harvesting water, and the pit is designed engineeringly, scientifically graded filter media, and the water can be used whenever the agriculture is needed. And these channels, distributaries, bunds has been constructed all along the slopes and natural contours of the catchment area. Actually, these 18 acres is at the end of the catchment area. The slopes are natural and every bit of water has been taken care of. This is Karun Reddy and myself, Sudesh Reddy from Rotary Club Hyderabad East. This is how the water harvesting will be done in a arid regions, dry lands, and when the soil is good, These warm water and rain harvesting water can be used for the cultivation, and this is the best example of rain harvesting watershed programs for the farmers, and this can be taken as a pilot project. All these bores and filters designed media can be used for the recharging of groundwater. This can be done, and this is the example, and Karan Reddy is exemplary of doing farming and cultivation, committed, passionate, and has done as an example for everybody who are doing farming and depending on the rainwater and groundwater. Last 5 years he has been doing it, and every year by year he is developing, cultivating, and is improvising the utility of water, and rain harvesting and groundwaters were been charged sufficiently, and now he is planning for wet agriculture farming also, like rice and everything. So this is the best example for the rainwater harvesting farmers, and this can be taken as a lesson to cultivate and do the dry lands and farming lands. This can be done, and this is the pilot project we can take in